So why won't your PlayStation 4 read disk or when it says unrecognized disk? Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Genie Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can fix if your PlayStation is not able to read disk. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, you generally have this kind of error due to multiple reasons. Now, there are a bunch of videos out there that tell you that you need a cleaning cloth. You could try to clean your disk, and you could also try to clean your disk port on your PlayStation. But we're going to ignore all of that and look through a few settings within the PlayStation which will hopefully help you fix it. Now, before we move on to the main solution, before you try to do anything else, what I would recommend you do is flip your PlayStation 4 on its side and then reinsert the disk. So flip your PlayStation 4 on the side. There was a comment on the internet on which many people commented that it actually worked and that this solution actually worked. So you might want to flip your PlayStation upside down or maybe just on the side and then reinsert disk, and it will work for most people and maybe it will work for you as well. Just try that first of all, and if that doesn't work, then hopefully we're going to run through some of the settings. And very first thing we will do is, of course, we will head over to our settings. Once we go to settings, we will check if our system has an update available. So most of the times it could not be the hardware issue, it could also be simply with a cracked software or a bug in the software that you're currently using. Well, in that case, what I would recommend you do is to simply head over to system software update, and once you go to system software update, it is going to simply check whether your system has an update available. If it does, then go ahead and install it to the latest version. Once you've updated your software, hopefully that will fix the issue. If it doesn't, then what I would also recommend you do is to come down to initialization and simply click on initialization, and over here you could go ahead and then try to restore default settings. First of all, go ahead and select restore default settings, and the default passcode is 0000, so you might just want to type in 0000 until you go ahead and simply reset your password. Now, another thing you could also do is, if that doesn't work, simply tap on initialize PS4. You could simply do a quick wipe or a full wipe. So first of all, I would basically recommend you do the quick wipe, so as in order to not lose any type of data or special games which you have installed on your PlayStation. Go ahead and then tap on initialize, and then hopefully that will fix the issue as well. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.